I am learning as a grown-ass man. I say it all the time, and it is of no rage, animosity. Nobody gives a fuck about your feelings. It's because we have to. We are masculine. You can't be born to go to battle, to go to war, to shed blood, to sacrifice yourself. The masculine is the sacrifice. The expansion of the villages, the civilizations that are built, what life is today is built on the back, on the sweat of the blood and tears, on the lives of men and masculine. That is what it's always been. That is what it will always be. Let some zombie apocalypse shit pop off right now. You will find out. In this modern time, it has left us with no outlet and conditioned to take all that on. But we no longer have the band of warriors. We no longer have the shoulder to shoulder dozens and hundreds of motherfuckers that go along through it with us that know about that. Only maybe my soldiers that still actually go to war, that get deployed and have to deal with these real life grown man shit. And everyone in the civilian space, we don't have that camaraderie. We don't have that bond. We don't have that outlet. And I say that as a man standing and working to make it possible, to create it and put it out in the world. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of feeling it myself, and I create spaces. I seek it. And I'm sick of looking out there, seeing beautiful life, and you have no fucking idea. Robin Williams, like plenty of examples. We get the attention when we go. We get the attention. Oh, such a shame. He was so great. He was shining so bright. These are the symptoms. The root fucking cause is this is what we're living through. This is what life is like for men. And the thing is, we have to be leaders. We have to step up. We have to do this shit. And stuff is so broken and out of balance without a rite of passage, without these spaces, without the proper channels from forefathers. We don't have what we've had in the past. And this is something that is so drastically needed and missing. Share with the men that you care about. If you care about a man, I tell you, the challenges he's facing, he hides. The challenges he's facing, nobody knows about. The challenges he's facing, he has nobody to talk to. This is just Ed Mass in general. This is why I do what I do. Reach out to him. Ask him how he is feeling, not how he is doing. He will be operational as long as he's operational until he checks out. And then it's too fucking late. Ask him how he is feeling. Reach out with a hand. Do something for him. Care for him. Show him love. Give him a hug. Check in with a brother. He needs it.